Hello everybody, the Standard 406 here. Today I'm showing you the restoration of a Mamod TE1. A friend gave this to me to restore and then I could keep it, which I found quite nice. As you can see in this picture, it is fairly dusty and it looks seized, but luckily nothing was actually seized. I worked out that this is probably from the early 60s. It is pop rivet, so it is after 1964. Unfortunately, it was missing a meths burner and the scuttle. However, I had a Mamod SR1 and I had a meths burner from SE2A. So I just put those together, put it inside, and there we go, it's a complete engine. Here you can see the disassembly process. The crankshaft, flywheel, front forks, whistle is off. The piston couldn't come off because for some reason the bolt wouldn't undo. I suspect that it's just seized over time. After eventually getting the back wheels off, I got a bit of wire wool on the cowl and it was a lot shinier than it was. I couldn't get all of it off though, so it had to stay like that. I did try again, but to no avail. With all the spokes on the wheels, it would be impossible for me to clean every individual spoke. So I just got a tub of soapy water and put the wheels in it. After, I got a toothbrush and scrubbed any loose paint, dirt and dust off. Here you can see the smoke box. I did repaint this, so it doesn't look as scratched. Now that all the parts were clean, it was time to reassemble it. This was not very tedious at all. Really, the hardest part was getting the hubcaps back on the wheel. Here it is complete. Everything's together. I've cleaned it all up properly and it's ready to run. After lighting the burner, it was running. It wasn't that powerful because the seals on the whistle and water plug were completely bust. I tried to make it move under its own power, but it wasn't having it, so I gave up. And I have some new washers now, so I will put them on whenever I have time, really. That's all from me. So I'll just say goodbye, and you can enjoy watching the engine running.